that it's giving. It's so pretty. I am obsessed. Hi, I'm Shaka Starks and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am going to get straight into coloring these beautiful clip-ins. I got these clip-ins from Curls Queen, and I did a full review in style on them. They're the Honey Blonde Ombre. I start by just putting them into 3 sections. I put these rubber bands around it just to kind of make them like bundles. Is easier to work with. This is the color that I'm using. It's the Jazzing semi-permanent color in cherry and black cherry. I gotta be honest, this did not do what I needed it to do, okay? But I wanted to show you guys because I'm just about keeping it real on this channel. I'll show you when things don't go right, and then I'll show you how I make it do what it needs to do. So I went ahead and put this color all over the blonde section of this hair. And in my mind, I thought this was going, I thought this was going to be easy. And it was. Honestly, if I would have used what I used the second time, the first time, it would have saved me a whole trip to the store, some money, and some time. But this is what I did. I started by putting this color all over the ends, and I only used 1 bottle. Maybe if I would have used 2, the color would have been a little more vibrant. But you'll see how the color came out. It was still pretty, but not what I was going for. It came out a little more brownish red. So I'm just working that color in, getting the hair nice and saturated. It looks really weird on that white trash bag. It looks like blood. But yeah, so sorry about that imagery. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just working this color through. I'm combing it through the ends, making sure that there are no blonde spots. And I ended up leaving this on for a minute. So I really wanted to get, the most color payoff. And I put it in this foil just so that the color can process and I could clean up this mess underneath. So I used the whole bottle, like I said. I wrapped it up in foil. I let it sit for maybe an hour or more. And then I just rinsed it out. So I shampooed this hair 1 time and I conditioned it. Not sure if that's why the color was a little muted. I don't know. The color was pretty, like I said, it just wasn't what I was going for. So if you like a more reddish brown, try this technique. But if you want that deep black cherry coke color, maroon, Merlot, that deep vampy color, I'm going to show you how to get it. So this is what it looked like after, and I'll show you in a second what it looked like, when my hair was dry and styled. It was pretty. Actually, I kind of got like 3 looks out of this hair. This is what it looked like. So I went in with this box color. This is the BS. And just, you know, combed it through. I did the same exact thing with the color that I should have used the first time. I just rinsed it out and used the conditioner that came with it. It did what I wanted her to do. Look how pretty. This joint is so freaking pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install these the same technique that I did before, using the ponytail, because that joint is quick and easy, okay? If you're watching and you're thinking, oh, Shaka, it looks like your edges have gotten fuller. Did you get a hair transplant? No. I did not get a hair transplant. I just colored my hair jet black and it just gives, okay? It just tints it tints my scalp a little bit and gives the illusion that my edges are thicker. So I love to do this every few months. I actually haven't done it in like maybe a year, but if you want to see how I do that, definitely watch that video. If it's not up by the time this one is up, it's on its way. It's on its way. So that's exciting. I also ended up cutting my hair. So that is why it's looking very blunt. And I love that for me, you know. I ended up doing it. I didn't film it just because I was not really in the mood, and I did not plan on cutting my hair. It just ended up happening. I was in my bathroom trying to keep myself busy while quarantining when I had COVID, and I was trying to, you know, just keep myself from being around my baby and my husband. I ended up cutting my hair, and it feels and looks so much better to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of detangle them, because I did have these put away in the little bag that it comes in, the the satin bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip after, you know, we are slick down. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get the clipping, okay? All right. So I just go ahead and clip. Love this technique, y'all. I just clip these tracks right onto my hair, and I don't have to worry about blending and parting. It's so quick and easy. I did a whole video on this technique and a full review on these clip-ins. As you can see, these clip-ins are beautiful. They are so comfortable. I got 3 looks out of this. I got the blonde one, I got the red one, and now I got this black cherry color. So if you are interested in clip-ins, if you've never tried them, if you wear them already, go ahead and get these clip-ins. I think they are so worth it. You can color them. They're still, you know, beautiful, and the hair looks healthy and shiny. And I colored this hair twice, back to back. So definitely recommend these clip-ins. This texture is beautiful. The length is perfect. Y'all, this video is not sponsored. I'm just giving y'all the tea, okay? So if you like this look, if you want to be able to switch up your hair, you can do a billion styles. Get these clip-ins. I do have a coupon code. Again, not sponsored, not getting no bread for this coupon code, just trying to get y'all some money off. So go ahead and shop the link in my description box and get you these clip-ins. I'm stamping it. So I want y'all to see this color. I hope it's giving, okay? Let's see. Might be a little dark, but baby, so pretty. Let me see. I'm literally obsessed. I'm so proud of the way this came out. This is my color. I want this to be my color. Like, I think it's so gorgeous. This is it. Like, the blonde was gorgeous. The red was nice, but this color is so pretty on me. Please try it out, y'all. Give this color a try. Give these clip-ins a try. I don't know, if you just want to switch it up for the winter, go ahead. For the summer, for the spring, I don't know, whenever you're watching this. I love it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm always going to keep it real with y'all. Thank you, and show your girl some love. Like this video, comment, share, and check out some of my other videos right here. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.